Today's legal maxim is tacita reconducion or silent renewal. Definition: tacita reconducion or silent renewal is a legal concept under the Civil Code of the Philippines, specifically in the law on lease. It refers to the tacit or implied renewal of a lease where the tenant continues to occupy the property after the contract has expired with the landlord's consent. It is a legal concept that establishes a new lease agreement under certain conditions. Tacita reconducion occurs when a lease contract expires, but the lessee continues occupying the property for at least 15 days with the acquiescence of the lessor and no notice to the contrary is given. In such a case, the lease is impliedly renewed under the same conditions as the old contract, except for the period. Tacita reconducion is governed by Article 1670 of the Civil Code. The law specifies that if the lessee continues to occupy the leased property for 15 days with the acquiescence of the lessor, an implied new lease is created. The new lease is for the time period established by the payment interval as outlined in other articles of the Civil Code. Requirements for tacita reconducion. The general requirements for an implied new lease to occur are the following: the original lease contract has expired, the lessee or tenant continues to occupy and use the leased property, the lessor or landlord acquiesces to the continued possession and has not issued a notice to vacate, and the lessee's continued occupation lasts for a period of time, like 15 days, after the original contract expires. Effects of tacita reconducion. If the foregoing conditions are met, a new lease is automatically created. The terms of this new lease are generally the same as the original, with one major exception. Duration. The new lease is not for the same period as the original contract. Instead, the duration is typically determined by the interval at which rent is paid. For instance, rental paid monthly will result in a month-to-month lease, while a rental paid annually will result in a year-to-year lease. Either party can terminate the implied lease by giving proper notice to the other. A notice to vacate from the lessor ends the implied renewal and turns the tenant's possession into an unlawful detainer. Legal basis. Article 1670, New Civil Code. If at the end of the contract the lessee should continue enjoying the thing leased for 15 days with the acquiescence of the lessor, and unless a notice to the contrary by either party has previously been given, it is understood that there is an implied new lease, not for the period of the original contract, but for the time established in Articles 1682 and 1687. The other terms of the original contract shall be revived. Article 1682, New Civil Code. The lease of a piece of rural land, when its duration has not been fixed, is understood to have been for all the time necessary for the gathering of the fruits which the whole estate leased may yield in 1 year, or which it may yield once, although 2 or more years have to elapse for the purpose. Article 1687, New Civil Code. If the period for the lease has not been fixed, it is understood to be from year to year if the rent agreed upon is annual, from month to month if it is monthly, from week to week if the rent is weekly, and from day to day if the rent is to be paid daily. However, even though a monthly rent is paid and no period for the lease has been set, the courts may fix a longer term for the lease after the lessee has occupied the premises for over 1 year. If the rent is weekly, the courts may likewise determine a longer period after the lessee has been in possession for over 6 months. In case of daily rent, the courts may also fix a longer period after the lessee has stayed in the place for over 1 month. If at the end of the contract the lessee continues enjoying the property for 15 days with the lessor's acquiescence and no demand to return is made, there is tacita reconducion. The renewal is not automatic. It requires the lessor's inaction and the lessee's continued possession. Key points. 1. Period. The new lease is considered to be month to month if rent is paid monthly or based on the rental period established like week to week or year to year. 2. Conditions. All conditions of the old lease remain except the duration. 3. Notice. If the lessor notifies the lessee before the end of the term that renewal will not be allowed, tacita recondisyon does not arise. Or application often arises in residential or commercial leases when the parties fail to execute a new contract but continue with the same arrangement. Example, if a one-year lease expired on June 30 and the lessee stays in the property beyond July 15 without objection from the lessor, a tacita recondisyon sets in and the lease is renewed on a month-to-month basis if rent was paid monthly. Relevant jurisprudence, PUQ Paterno versus CA, GR number 115763, May 29, 1997. This case involves a forcible entry suit filed by PUQ Paterno, petitioner, against Angelina Reyes, private respondent. Paterno owns an apartment unit in Manila which was originally leased to Lydia Lim in 1964. Lim migrated to the U.S. in 1969, leaving her sister Reyes to occupy the apartment. In 1992, Paterno discovered Lim's absence and sent Reyes a notice to vacate. When Reyes refused, Paterno filed a forcible entry case. The Metropolitan Trial Court ruled in favor of Paterno, but this was reversed by the Regional Trial Court and the Court of Appeals. The Supreme Court ultimately ruled in favor of Paterno, finding that Lim had abandoned the lease and Reyes only had a month-to-month lease that could be terminated by the lessor. Thank you. If you find this presentation helpful, please subscribe to receive notification of future lectures.